Welcome to your French class. In this class, we'll do les pronoms relatifs composés. Okay. First of all, we will know why do we use a pronoun, a pronom. A pronoun is used to replace a name already mentioned to avoid repetition. Okay. Why do we use relative pronouns? We use it to connect two simple sentences together to create a complex sentence. Okay, so let's start with the first sentence. Il m'a montré l'immeuble dash il habite. He showed me the building in which he lives. Okay. So for in which we need dans preposition and lequel. Okay. Il m'a montré l'immeuble dans lequel il habite. He showed me the building in which he lives. Now the second statement is donne-lui l'argent dash il achètera sa voiture. Give him the money with which he will buy his car. So for with we need avec preposition and then lequel. Donne-lui l'argent avec lequel il achètera sa voiture. Give him the money with which he will buy his car. Now l'argent is masculine, so we have used lequel. Okay, and for with we have used avec. Okay. La salle dash ils ont entré était très grand. That means the room in which they entered was very big or grand. Okay, so in which, again for in we'll use dans, and laquelle we have used here because la salle is feminine. Okay, the room in which they entered was grand or big. Okay, now the next sentence is l'ami dash je viens de téléphoner est malade. That means the friend to whom I just called is sick. Now we are talking about the friend. So for téléphoner à quelqu'un, we are going to replace it with laquelle. Now it will give the sense of to whom. The friend to whom I just called is sick. Now the next sentence is ce sont des gens agréables dash j'ai passé quelques jours. That means these are nice people with whom or at the place of whom. Now you have two options here that you can use. Ce sont des gens agréables dash j'ai passé quelques jours. Now I have used avec, or you can also use chez lesquels, avec lesquels or chez lesquels, because these two prepositions are very much suitable here. With whom or at the place of whom. Okay, I spent few days. Lesquels we have used here because this time we have masculine plural case. Okay, des gens. Now the next one is le café dash il m'a téléphoné est à côté de la gare. Now it means the cafe from which he called me is next to the station. Okay, now we are talking about the cafe and we are saying from which. Again, we need a preposition. Le café duquel il m'a téléphoné est à côté de la gare. That means the cafe from which he called me is next to the station. Okay, now le café is masculine, so we have used masculine case here, and du we have used for from. Now the next one is voilà l'ami dash j'ai acheté ce livre. This is the friend for whom I bought this book. For saying for, I need pour preposition, and because ami is masculine, I'll use a masculine case after pour. Voilà l'ami pour lequel j'ai acheté ce livre. That means this is the friend for whom I bought this book. Now the next one is qui sont les femmes dash tu parlais. Now it's a question statement. That means who are the women about whom you can write, or either you can use to whom you were speaking or talking. Okay. If you say to whom, then you can write auquel, and if you say about whom, then you can write desquels. Okay, and because femme is feminine and it is plural this time, so we'll use feminine plural case. Qui sont les femmes auxquelles or desquelles tu parlais? Okay. Now the next one is cherches-tu ton sac dash tu as mis tes livres? That means are you looking for your bag in which you put your book? Okay. So for saying in, we are using dans preposition, and because sac is masculine, we are using lequel. In which. Cherches-tu ton sac dans lequel tu as mis tes livres? That means are you looking for your bag in which you put your books? Les amis dash nous téléphonons sont en retard. That means friends, the friends to whom we are calling are late. Les amis auxquels nous téléphonons sont en retard. That means the friends to whom we are calling are late. Now the next statement is le restaurant dash il habite sert de bons plats chinois. That means the restaurant near which he lives serves good Chinese dishes. Now we are talking about the restaurant, so we'll use the preposition près duquel, that means near which. Okay, le restaurant près duquel il habite sert de bons plats chinois. That means the restaurant near which he lives serves good Chinese dishes. Okay, les clés dash tu as besoin sont dans ma poche. That means the keys you need of, okay, avoir besoin de, you need of are in my pocket. So we'll use desquelles because this time the word is feminine plural. Okay, les clés desquelles tu as besoin sont dans ma poche. Now the next one is j'aime beaucoup la fille dash tu parles. That means I really like the girl to whom you are talking. J'aime beaucoup la fille à laquelle tu parles. That means I really like the girl to whom you are talking. Okay. Now the next one is les amis dash tu écris seront contents. That means the friends to whom you are writing will be happy. Okay. So we'll use auquel, to whom. Les amis auxquels tu écris seront contents. The friends to whom you are writing will be happy. Okay. Now the next statement is as-tu aimé les musées dash il parle souvent? Did you like the museums about which he often talks? Okay. Now about which we'll use the preposition desquels. Okay. Les musées is masculine plural, so we have used desquels. Okay, the plural form. As-tu aimé les musées desquels il parle souvent? That means, did you like the museums about which he often talks? Okay. L'ami dash il est sorti habite près de l'école. The friend with whom he went out lives near the school. Okay. So for saying with whom, we need a preposition avec lequel. Now we have used lequel here because l'ami is masculine singular. Okay. L'ami avec lequel il est sorti habite près de l'école. That means the friend with whom he went out lives near the school. Now the next statement is voici mes cousins dash j'ai habité pendant mes vacances. That means these are my cousins with whom I lived during my vacations. Either you can write with whom or you can write at the place of whom. Okay. So we'll use the preposition chez lesquels. Okay. Means at the place of whom. Voici mes cousins chez lesquels j'ai habité pendant mes vacances. That means these are my cousins at the place of whom I lived during my vacations. Now the next one is il faut ajouter du sel dash ce plat n'aura pas de goût. Now that means add some salt without which this dish will have no taste. Or you can say it is necessary to add some salt without which this dish will not have any taste. So for saying without which, we'll use the preposition sans lequel. Okay. Il faut ajouter du sel sans lequel ce plat n'aura pas de goût. That means it is necessary to add some salt without which this dish will have no taste. Now the next statement is il a acheté 2 billets dash il a reçu le 3e gratuit. That means he bought 2 tickets with which he received the 3rd for free. So for saying with which, we need the preposition avec lesquels. Il a acheté 2 billets avec lesquels il a reçu le 3e gratuit. That means he bought 2 tickets with which he received the 3rd for free. Voilà la dame dash tu as donné cette jupe. That means this is the lady to whom you gave this skirt. Okay, for writing to whom, we'll write the preposition laquelle. Quelle, we have used feminine case here because la dame is feminine. Okay. Voilà la dame à laquelle tu as donné cette jupe. That means this is the lady to whom you gave this skirt. Connais-tu le pâtissier dash on trouve de bons gâteaux? Do you know the good pastry maker at the place of whom one can find good cakes? Okay, so it is obvious we are talking about a place where one can get good pastries. Okay, so we'll use the preposition chez lequel, means at the place of whom. Connais-tu le pâtissier chez lequel on trouve de bons gâteaux? Means do you know the good pastry maker at the place of whom one can find good cakes? Now the next one is la peinture dash il est debout et celle de Renoir. That means the painting in front of which he is standing is that of Renoir. Now for saying in front of which, we need the preposition devant laquelle. Okay, we have used laquelle here because la peinture is feminine. Okay, la peinture devant laquelle il est debout est celle de Renoir. That means the painting in front of which he is standing is that of Renoir. Now, l'homme dash tu ressembles s'appelle Monsieur Moreau. Now, for saying the man to whom you resemble is called Mr. Moreau, we need the preposition auquel. L'homme auquel tu ressembles s'appelle Monsieur Moreau. That means the man to whom you resemble is called Mr. Moreau. The last statement is la rivière dash ils sont debout est très large. That means the river at the edge of which, because this time we are talking about the bank of the river. Okay, so we'll use at the edge of which they are standing is very wide. So we'll use the preposition au bord de laquelle. La rivière au bord de laquelle ils sont debout est très large. That means the river at the edge of which they are standing is very wide. Okay. So this is how we use les pronoms relatifs composés to connect two simple statements. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.